Good afternoon. We're here with BJ. BJ, one of the things I know we've talked about when we look at disability contracts is pricing. How you get prices, as we might call it, compressed. In other words, discounted for our physician or attorney clients or dentist clients or whoever they might be. Tell us some of the techniques that you use when you do this.
Yeah, thanks, Scott. Actually, one of the major ones we found is when we were working with female physicians. We can easily show them how they can find, in some cases, as little as two other people in their practice that they can bring in with them, submit policies at the same time. That turns it into what we call a multi-life. And that multi-life discount certainly does give them a discount, but the most important part of that feature is really the female then becomes a unisex rate. And whether you know or not, life insurance, disability insurance works just the opposite. As guys, we pay a hefty premium when it comes to life insurance. Vice versa for women. Women with disability pay an extremely higher premium rate for disability income. So if we can get them turned to a multi-life discount, bring them in a unisex rate, level the playing field, and provide them with sometimes up to a 40% discount. And that is really, really meaningful. And what I've found to help that situation actually, to move the processing along for that individual, if it's a female, a lot of carriers, and in fact most carriers, will allow the female to go ahead and submit her contract and submit the application and get her contract in order, provide the coverage, lock down the coverage, and in a period of 3 months, 3-month window after she becomes approved, she can still bring in other physicians to qualify for that and then subsequently get a discount from there. And so that is very, very important. It goes back to what we've always said. Physicians need to work with a trusted advisor. No secret, lesser the premium, the lesser as agents we get paid. And sometimes, unfortunately, the agents don't want to get paid less. And so if you are working with someone you trust, usually referred to by someone they know, hopefully that's us, and we can come in and we can show them in a real world situation how they can save some significant money.
So kind of a recap is get 3 to 5 beating hearts.
Yep.
So individual, not product. It's not like you can go buy a disability and a life and a business overhead contract and have that 3. You get 3 individuals.
And in fact, they don't have to be all physicians.
Right. So you can bring in some staff, give them a minimum benefit, and then they'll just leverage that discount, which will then more than pay for, be more than pay for, I should say, by the premium compression.
Absolutely.
When you do this, is there any advantage to the men?
There's not a significant advantage to the men with our program because of the nature of our business and the amount of premium we do submit, this application we submit. We're going to be able to get the men premium discount anyway. So changing that to a multi-life discount, it just keeps their discount intact.
Well, thanks. Thanks for explaining that.
Thank you very much.